My friends, first of all, I told you to this is not a financial video. I just advise you. So please research personally. But my friend, I will just guide you and give you some very important update and information about Ecash coin. So therefore, please research personally before you take any decision. And I have one request more to kindly subscribe this channel if you want to latest in urgent update of any cryptocurrency coin and my friends, especially prediction videos. So subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Today we will talk about the Ecash coin, my friends. To this time, what the condition of Ecash and can of coming time there is chance to they will pumps up or there is also chance to they will dumps down. So my friend, can there is a chance to they will give you a profit or not, my friend? So let's start the brand video. But please, my friend, this time absolutely the Ecash coin were fails down. So don't worry. First of all, I told you to don't worry if they were fails down. This does not mean to they will never give you a profit. Ecash, my friends, 0.00019530 USD dollar this time the current price and minus 3.1% dumps down. So this is does not matter, my friends. So they were fails down for a short time because after a short dump absolutely they will take a very huge jump. So therefore I am 100% sure, my friends, to in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. But for that you will need to hold down, and if you are starting holding, then I am 100% sure, my friend, I will give you 100% guarantee to they will give you a profit. Yes, my brother. So please holders try to understand this time the market cap is increasing, so it's 100%, my friend. Does not matter to the change occurring is a negative. So kindly holders, you will need to hold down, and if you are starting investing, then the market cap is more and more increasing. So kindly holders starting investing, I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. This time, my friends, every coin will moving in this circulation to after a dump pumps and after a pumps dump. So therefore I hope, my friends, to after this huge dump they will also take a very huge dump, because in the last 10 days of every month every coin will moving upward. So therefore I hope to Meta Hero is giving you a profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.